Hello everyone. Today's session is about the new web portal look and feel in 2015. So every year we'll have some new look. And you can check out the build number first, and if the build number is 6, you can just that 2015 minus 2009. That's when the whole project starts. 3 means it's in March, and the build number and then the change control number. So already 22,000 changes in the product. So let's go ahead and log in. If you log in as the cluster admin, the most powerful admin in the system here, you're going to see the tenants. If it's a multi-tenant flavor here, you can also have a enterprise edition. So if it's an enterprise edition, you're not going to see the tenants manager. So you can see tenants manager, cluster admin, cluster branding, email service. You can configure those. Cluster server farm, you can have multiple servers in here for scalability here. Cluster info, you can see the performance reports. You can see the uploads and different kind of metrics here. Cluster setting, you can do client auto updates. You can publish a specific version to all your clients, customers. You can set daily upgrades. You can see, let's say, 40 upgrades per day, right? So you can limit the bandwidth, or you can say I want to only going to apply that to specific users. So user Joe can start trying it out first. There's also a self-service language portal. So let's say if you want to do French translation, and if there are some strings you don't like, then you could change those strings yourself, or if there's a language you want to support, you can do that. So with that said, let's look at the web portal for the files and folders. You can see we have a new set of icons here, and the icons are bigger, 32 by 32, and so it looks wider and more spacious. And you can check it out here, and it's also the 3-panel view, left, middle, right. But the right on the left panel is the tree panel, so most of the time you don't need it, so you can collapse and make more space. You can see there are more file type icons available, different file type, AVI, CVD, and also the common office files. You can see those files and those icons are now available. There are also 12 different themes available that you can check it out, the icon view, and so if we want to check out different browsers and also the theme, so now we are looking at the Firefox, and then we are using a steel blue theme in the Firefox, so you can see the look and feel looks a little bit different. We can also check out IE. So we have IE 11 here. So IE has the olive green view, and even Opera. We can support Opera. So you can check out the Opera, and then let's see, if you want to check out a different color, a color that you like the most, you can set it to your default theme color. So there's 12 of them. So I guess one of them should look nice to you, depending on your preference. And now let's switch into the management portal view. So not everybody is going to see this management portal. Only manager, the admin, can see. And first, from the top, you can see dashboard, cluster manager, and all those links. The first one is team folder under the collaboration. The second one is the user manager. You can also see guest user, who are the users that has limited functionalities, and the role manager. So the role manager is new. So basically, for example, here is a read-only administrator. So you can define a bunch of view functionalities, and then after that you can assign it to a specific people. So that people can have a read-only to some of the more advanced pages, but he can see, but he cannot touch. And now here's the group policy. So that's what makes this an enterprise file sync and share solution. The number of controls settings that you can set, and also the delegate administrator here. So the administrator here defined here will have full permission. So let's say if you don't want the administrator to have full permission, you can use role manager to define a role. But if you do want to have the user have full admin privilege, then you can define the user there. And now here are some of the advanced settings: the Active Directory connection, the device, file change log, audit trace, client device manager. So you can manage a lot of your users device, users changes, all from the portal. So you can see the look and feel, of what it feels like. And now here's the what it looks like when you start to do the file sharing. It's a file sync and share solution, so sharing is a very important part of the solution. So you can check it out. So as a summary, in today's session, we went over the new web browser, web portal look and feel. And you can also download the clients like the Mac client, Windows client, and you can go to the App Store and Google Play to download the mobile clients. We can cover those in later session, but today's session is more about the new look and feel of the web portal. So check it out. It's the new build 1745, released in March. So it's 6.3 build. Thank you.